So with each video, make sure that you keep that in mind for the first time viewers. So how you do your presentation. As a first time viewer, would you want to watch a 30-second intro or, you know, a minute long intro? Stop at some point during each one of your videos and welcome new viewers. Give them an idea of what your channel is about, so that when YouTube puts that up there for them to check out another video of yours, they're more likely to do that. So everything you do should be aimed towards getting that next new viewer to come over to you. And there's different ways to do that. You can go with, like I said, doing the short introduction somewhere in that video, explaining what that channel is about. You can also share, and that is the biggest deal that I think helps out YouTubers, is sharing the content. That's how you're going to go viral. That's one of the most important things. In order to do that, you've got to have content that is really good and just draws people in. If you can get them to watch 30 seconds of a minute-long video, I'll bet you they'll turn around and watch another video of yours. And then, you know, that variety on your channel of having short clips along with medium clips, along with long clips, you can kind of just start to draw these people in. Some people will watch an entire video all the way through, even if it's 30 minutes long. Some people will watch 30 seconds and go off to something else. So make sure that 30 seconds, if you spend, that first 30 seconds is what gets their attention. So for like me, outside of a few types of videos, I don't have 15, 20 minute long videos. My audience attention is just, I don't have that personality. But that's okay, you know, you work with that. Part of being able to attract the new viewers in is being able to work with new audiences and stuff. And because of that, you know, I can grow or shorten my channel videos based upon that. So keep those people in mind, and be willing to play around with different ideas, different concepts. And I will see you on the next video. GoPro, stop recording.